I'm very pleased to welcome you on behalf of not just Kingston Wharf, but the Port of Kingston to these two first technical workshops of the CariPorts II program. Like many ports in the Caribbean, Kingston is directly confronted with the consequences of climate change and the challenges of energy transition.
These workshops are about more than the technical solutions. They represent something larger, a demonstration that Caribbean ports are choosing to work together. For the first time, Caribbean ports are not simply adopting frameworks built elsewhere. We are shaping our own approach, grounded in island realities, regional climate challenges, and the priorities of our own port community. That is the true strength of CariPorts II.
We have seen the benefits of it thus far, certainly at Kingston Wharf, through our health, safety, and environmental management team. And I trust that you will also get to see the benefits of your participation here by the end of this.